Hello friends, welcome to the .NET interview community. I'm your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author and a trainer passionate about leveling up the skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of the .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon, and the links of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together. So friends, our today's question is explain the GRASP principle. GRASP principle stands for an acronym of General Responsibility Assignment Software Pattern. It is a set of principles that helps developer to make informed decision about assigning responsibility to object within an object-oriented system. The important grasp patterns are information expert, and the information expert pattern suggests assigning a responsibility to the class that has the information necessary to fulfill that responsibility. In other words, the class that knows the most about something should be responsible for handling it. That is the information expert pattern. Now, the next pattern is the creator pattern. The creator pattern suggests assigning the responsibility of creating an object to a class that contains or aggregate instances of the created class. Records instance of the created class closely use instances of the created class has the information about the initializing the created object. So that's about the creator pattern. Now the next is the controller pattern. The controller pattern in GRASP assign the responsibility of handling system event to a non-UI class that represent the overall system or a use case scenario. Essentially, the controller acts as a mediator between the user interface and the domain layer. So, the next pattern is the low coupling pattern. The low coupling that is a fundamental principle in the object-oriented design that aims to minimize the dependency between two classes. When classes are tightly coupled, changes done to one class have the ripple effect on others, making the system harder to maintain and test. That's why we need to achieve a low coupling pattern. And achieving the low coupling pattern, we can use dependency injection, interfaces, event-based communication, or the layered architecture. We'll learn about all these things in upcoming videos. The next is the high cohesion pattern. The high cohesion means that a class or a module should have a clear, focused responsibility. In simpler terms, everything within a class should be closely related to its primary purpose. The benefits of the high cohesion is improved readability, increased maintainability, and enhances reusability. So these are the 5 grasp patterns which help us creating a maintainable and user-friendly softwares. So let us know in the comment which general responsibility pattern you like the most. So friends, there you have it. I hope you have gained some valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and LinkedIn for exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.